Ladies and gentlemen, please accept my greetings and Khamrimo. It is indeed my great privilege to welcome you all in this August audience to present to you the webinar being hosted by the Rongring Lepcha Culture and Welfare Society based in Kalimpong, India. I have just stressed the last part just because there may be some of you who may have participated from abroad. Welcome to all of you. We are really very glad to have so many of you spare the time to join with us. We know that you are from various backgrounds, and we are very happy and delighted that you have enriched our webinar so much by your participation. We also have some alumni from the Rongring online lecture classes also. Very good to have them too. Staying in touch means so much to us. Now, I have been asked to speak something about the Rongring Society. Well, its members comprise of some young and some not so young members, some experienced in various fields and others rich in vitality and exuberance and rearing to go ahead. Some of us are active professionals, full-time professionals in government, in business, in academia, and its various other fields, philanthropy also. So that's what the group comprises of. This society professes to work primarily for the Lepcha community, which is a very teeny-weeny lot living in the Himalayan region, along with a host of other communities. It's not quite known out in the outside world, except for a few, precious few, I might add, who are in the academia. So we have devised this webinar so that the people at large can get a glimpse of different facets of our society so that they can come to know us a little bit more. The online lecture language classes, which I touched before, is also designed with this in view. And we have received very good response from them. And we are very much encouraged by that. So in due course, we shall be having regular webinars on different subjects, different speakers. And ultimately, in due course of time, we would enlarge our reach to sort of come in contact with universities and governments and non-government organizations, academics, and individuals, so that eventually we will be able to form a greater alliance as well as some very meaningful relationships. Just as we sort of reach out, we shall also not miss out the community, where we shall be delving inwards and looking into the structure and the values of the society that is fast evolving in this present world. Maybe we may have to suggest some measures to strengthen or buttress them, all with the purpose of preserving our Lepcha heritage. So that is the purpose of this society. And of course, we shall not be losing sight of that section of the society who are not so well endowed. So it's quite a tall order, as you can understand. We know that such work cannot be done alone or in isolation, but would require the wherewithal and the cooperation from all quarters in future. So with that note, I end my talk, and it's bye for now. Thank you very much.